If you're seeing Steam error 500, that usually means Steam is running into an internal server error while trying to process your request. The good news is that this is often something you can fix with a couple of quick steps, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through them clearly, safely, and step by step. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like, and make sure you subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Steam and head over to Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, click on Downloads. Inside the Downloads section, look for the option that says Clear Cache next to Clear Download Cache. This is one of the most common fixes for Steam-related loading and connection issues because it refreshes the temporary data Steam is storing on your device. When you click it, Steam will ask you to confirm the action, and just keep in mind that this will log you out of Steam, so you'll need to sign back in afterward. Go ahead and confirm it, then let Steam finish clearing the cache. After that, restart Steam and check whether the error is gone. In many cases, that alone is enough to resolve the problem. But if Steam error 500 is still showing up, the next thing to do is use your web browser and manually clear some of Steam's local files. To do that, first close Steam completely. Make sure it is not just minimized in the background because you want it fully shut down before you touch any files. Then, open File Explorer and navigate to your Steam installation folder. For most users, that will be C:\program files x86/Steam. Once you're inside that folder, you'll want to delete the Appcache folder and the config folder. These folders store cache data and configuration files, and if they become corrupted, Steam can start throwing different errors, including internal server errors like this one. Don't worry, because Steam will automatically rebuild these folders the next time it launches. After deleting them, reopen Steam and let it start fresh. It may take a little longer the first time because it's recreating the necessary files, but that is completely normal. Once Steam is back up, try the action that was causing the error and see if it works properly now. If it does, great. The issue was likely caused by corrupted cache or local configuration data. If not, you may want to restart your computer and try again, because sometimes a clean reboot helps Steam fully release any stuck processes. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable, since connection issues can sometimes trigger server-related errors that look like a Steam problem. The key takeaway is that Steam error 500 is usually not permanent, and in many cases, clearing the download cache and removing the app cache and config folders can fix it quickly. And if this video helped you solve the problem, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.